Hello.
Hello, how are you, bro?
Nice. Wow. What book are you read?
I'm reading the book name is You Can Read It by yourself.
Oh, Think and Grow Rich. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
So
what
don't
I want.
don't you want to be rich in your life?
I really wanted to achieve rich, but I felt I failed.
Yeah. Let me guess, you're from China, am I right?
Yes. So where from?
I'm not from China, but I'm your neighbor. I'm from India. Indian.
Oh,
Okay.
where is India?
In Maharashtra. State name is Maharashtra.
Oh,
Maharashtra. Yeah, I know. You haven't heard about it before because of the place is very far away from you, the state.
in South Park?
Yeah, south part.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
So can you tell me what is like air quality in South Park?
What kind of quality are you talking about?
Air quality.
What is the quality you're talking about? In terms
Air.
of huh?
Air quality.
Air quality.
Air quality.
Air quality. Air. Breathing. Air.
Yeah.
Air quality is up to the mark, you know. See, surrounded by the nature. Very good air here. Fresh.
I like fresh air.
Yeah, I like fresh air too. Okay, so what do you do for a living? What's your work
I
profession?
I, I lost my job.
You have lost your job.
Yes.
Why?
I
Why?
lost my job
What was your job then?
because my job is really suck and you know I have to lost my job.
What was you working as? I mean, what you were like working? What was your work?
I I worked like real estate agency
Real estate. Okay. Mhm.
and bartender.
Did you make money? Lots of money from that job?
Pay not good.
Not good.
Pay it isn't good for me.
Okay. Okay. So let's talk about Bollywood movies. Do you watch Bollywood movies?
No,
No movies. No Bollywood movies.
I'm not a movie guy.
Okay.
Bollywood movies, but I watched some like some movie channel have some like
Hmm.
short version of Bollywood movie. It's like a dance, yeah,
Then
dance
Bollywood.
part. I
Okay.
watched some dance part. It's so crazy, so much dance part, and everyone is like 100 people
Hmm.
dance together.
Hmm. Chinese people like Jackie Chan, right? Jackie Chan.
No, no,
No,
because he cheated on his wife. He has affairs.
he has a.
Yeah, he cheated on his wife, and he has a lot of child.
Okay.
That was like bastard child.
Mhm. Uh, who is your favorite actor from China?
Mm, maybe no, because maybe no.
Hmm.
Movie industries not like America in China. Not like Hollywood or Bollywood. It's very, it's very, it's very normal industrial,
Hmm.
not very big.
Okay. Means according to you, Hollywood movies are big. Okay. Very grand way.
Yeah, I like to watch. Do you know that Oscar award and golden award? They have some like host to give you some like talk show like Ricky Gervais or Arthur Jimmy. Yeah, they have some funny talk show. I like to watch that.
Do you know today is an independent day in India from British?
I don't know.
Okay. Which one is your favorite country to visit? Like, do you want to visit in your future on the bucket list? Do you have favorite country?
I visited like 30 countries before, so I don't have really wanted to visit in future. But yeah, I'm not. But I want to become rich. Can you tell me how to become rich?
I don't know, bro. I am not a rich man. I live in a jungle.
You know, jungle people they're doing this meditation, jungle, keep quiet.
Yeah, quiet. Peace. Fresh air. Like Buddha.
You know, Buddha he is the prince.
Prince, yeah. Monk. Monk. I want to be a monk.
Buddha he is like he have a kingdom,
Yeah.
so he can enjoy everything, like treasures, every valuable thing, every beautiful. He can enjoy it. So he said, enough is enough. I want to become another guy, just in poverty situation.
Mm.
And the we was opposite. We want to become rich.
Okay. Do you watch YouTube channel? Do you watch
Yes,
YouTube?
I watch it.
Okay. My YouTube channel name is J Learn English with JD.
Okay, okay. I will copy it.
Learn English with JD. Hello.
Hi, bro.
Good
How is it
morning.
going?
Good morning from India.
Mm, here is 12:30. Uh,
Okay.
maybe we should
Mhm.
call afternoon.
Which
Good.
country are you from?
China.
China.
You're from?
I am
Yeah,
also
yeah.
from China.
You're from India.
I'm from China. I speak Mandarin Chinese.
You can speak a little in Chinese.
Yes, I can speak
Uh,
full Chinese.
oh, good. Uh, so, bro, English is English your second language?
Yeah, English is my second language. I'm from India. Okay. My mother tongue is Hindi. Okay. And the second
Well,
language is English.
uh, uh, do you need to speak English in your life?
Could you repeat that question again? I didn't catch that properly. Could you repeat the question?
Uh, okay, okay. Uh, do you need to speak English in your real life?
No, no. Actually, I'm surrounded by the people who do not speak English. Okay, and majority of time I talk to my students in English. Okay, I conduct online sessions. Okay, I'm a spoken English teacher. I teach people English online. Okay, and simultaneously I have lots of conversation offline as well. Means I have created an artificial environment or an environment for myself where I can do practice with different people, different walks of life of people, so I'm happy with that. Means I am able to create a successful environment.
So you are a teacher?
I'm teaching. I mean, I don't have any degree, but I teach spoken English classes.
Oh, good.
Yeah. What do you do, bro?
uh,
What do you do for a living?
I'm a electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Okay. And where are you
yeah.
working right now?
And
Are you working in China?
I always, yeah,
You're working China itself
yeah.
or different country?
Yeah, I working in China, but I should always do some job in other countries.
Other
Yeah,
countries. Okay. I mean, at this point, you're working
travel
in
travel
China.
to.
Yeah. Right now, you're working in China, but you do want to work in other countries abroad.
Yeah, I do my work in several countries. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about your hobbies. What do you do in your spare time? What do you do in your leisure time?
my you mean my hobbies,
Mm-hmm.
my free time? Yeah, I always go fishing by the river. Yeah,
Okay. Mhm. Okay.
go fishing. But uh, I always came back with the hand empty.
Okay.
It make me
Okay. In my free
uh
time, in my leisure time, okay, in my spare time, I indulge in reading books. Okay. So currently, I'm reading this book. Could you read it?
think and grow rich. Oh, good.
Think and Grow Rich. I'm reading this book
So
now.
so you I consider you have a lot of money.
No, I don't have right now, but definitely in the future, I will going to be billionaire.
So you how much can you get per month
From
the
teaching,
salary?
from teaching, I can manage myself, manage my expenses. Okay, but in my future, I want to learn specific skills. Those skills allows me to make more money. Right now, it is kind of beginning. Okay, I have been teaching to my students for 8 months, but by reading books, by improving my communication, leveling up my communication, I want to make more money in the long term. Short term, at this point, I'm making less, but at the same time, working on my skills. If my skills are going to get better, money will come naturally. Goes up.
Yeah, yeah. But it's too slow to get the money.
Yeah, actually, I just want to
I
develop
think
myself. I want to be a better version of myself. I want to be a better version of myself in terms of knowledge, in terms of communication, in terms of money, in terms of traveling. You know, I want to be get great all those things.
yeah. I think uh, a special idea is a better way to get rich.
Who is my ideal?
Uh, for example, yeah, n- you should know different countries' items price, and uh, you can do some business uh, uh, from less countries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like any Bollywood celebrity?
Pardon?
Do you like any Bollywood movies? Actors?
Movies?
Bollywood movies, Indian movies,
Movie.
Indian movies.
Watching movie?
Movies we watch.
Watching movie?
Watch it on TV, drama, serial, drama, movies, TV, television. We watch movies, right?
Drama.
Yeah. Like a Chinese movie, Bollywood movie, Chinese. Do you watch any movie? Like Jackie Chan.
Water movie?
Jackie Chan, Jackie Chan?
Jackie Chan?
Mhm.
You mean the Alibaba?
Jackie Chan, he's an actor, right?
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye bye.